The PHILIPS ADD583 RO Water Filter provides an exceptional level of water purification, effectively removing contaminants down to 0.0001 micron, ensuring pure tasting water. With its innovative Aquaporin Inside Reverse Osmosis technology, this filter mimics natural water filtration processes, delivering superior performance and efficiency. The filter includes an alkaline remineraliser that enhances the water by adding essential minerals, transforming it to a healthier alkaline state. Designed for long-term use, the filter boasts a service life of 12 months, providing sustained high-performance filtration for your water needs. The device is environmentally friendly, with an impressive pure-to-drain water ratio of 3:1, minimizing water waste compared to traditional systems. Certified by various standards, including NSF and ANSI, the filter ensures safety and reliability, making it a trustworthy choice for your household water filtration.